So in this video, I'm just going to cover the requirements for assignment 6. In the previous video, we looked at the sitemap and the web pages, which is the sitemap and the wireframe. So how your pages are all connected and what content to have on each page. All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about what you need to have in your website in more detail. So basically, number one, you're creating a website for sailing adventures based on the sitemap that we just looked at and the wireframe that we just looked at in the previous video. You have to create your own style sheet for the website, so you must have style in your style.css, and all pages must have the style sheet applied to it. Okay, you have to create the required tables in PHP-MyAdmin. So there are a few tables you have to create. So one for users for when you register, and one for trips, okay, and another one for the images that you upload. Right? You also have to create an includes folder with header.php, nav.php, and footer.php. You will have more than one nav.php because, as you'll see in the last video, some pages have different links in the nav. So there'll be at least two different nav.php. So you can call them nav1 and nav2. Now, every page must have the includes block that inserts the header, nav, and footer to it. So every page must have header, nav, and footer on your website. You're required to create a registration, login, change password, and logout page. You have to create a page where a user can insert new data for a trip name. Okay, for new data for a new trip name, trip destination, and cost. You have to create a page where the user can upload a new image to the gallery page. Okay, and don't forget to create an uploads folder. So these images must be uploaded to the uploads folder, and you also need to have a table in the database that collects the name of the file. So it should only collect names of JPEGs, GIFs, and PNGs. Everything else must be rejected. And in the uploads folder, you should only be uploading JPEGs, GIFs, and PNGs. Okay, so you can use the images from both galleries images zip, this image folder, to test. Okay, so in your video that you show me, you will try and upload all these images in this folder to test and show me. Okay, so in your video, you should also insert new data for your trip name. Okay, do a few of them. All right, and then show me. So your video should demonstrate that all your pages work and all your tables in PHP-MyAdmin work. So you have to go into your PHP-MyAdmin and show me each one of your 3 tables after you insert information into it. So this is under your submission details. You need the video that demonstrates that all your pages and your tables work. You have to have an exported SQL table for all of them. And you have to have a zip folder containing all of your web files. Okay, so this is due next Monday, all right, and the total points is 15. So we have this class to work on it and next class and the entire week, so please get started as soon as possible. I'm here to help you, of course, but you have to, make an effort early and get a hold of me early. So I don't want to see students only getting in touch with me at the last hour on Monday night because things are not connecting or working. Okay, there's not much I can do at the very last hour. Okay, so please make sure that you work ahead of schedule. And I'm not providing a step-by-step video. I think that from the previous assignments that you have done, you should be able to do this. There's nothing different or new that we are doing. We're just kind of putting it all together on your own. All right, so give it a shot, and we'll have a question and answer period next class.